How to change or replace a debit card on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can change or replace the debit card on Cash App. So first of all, make sure that you're logged into your Cash App account. So once you're logged into your Cash App account, you'll be directed to this kind of interface. Once you're on this page, you need to click on the card icon located right at the bottom. So after that, on the other page, as you click on the card icon on the other page, you'll be able to see the card that is linked to your Cash App account. In order to replace it or to remove it, you need to click on the three dot icon located right on top, just next to the card, and a drop down menu appears. So from the drop down menu, you'll be able to see two different options, that is remove debit card or replace debit card. If you want to remove your debit card, just click on remove debit card. Automatically your card will be removed. However, if you want to replace your debit card, you'll be asked to replace it with another one, which means that you have to enter in the new card information. Only then you'll be able to replace it. So in this way, you can debit card on Cash App. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.